a problem with 2018 F-150. Try to shut the door, and it won't shut. It won't shut. See, it's not latching. That latch is broke. If you need to get somewhere, you ain't got time to sit here and let it thaw out, just lock the door. Oh shit. Lock the door. Ugh. Lock the door. And then shut. And it'll shut. But then the problem is, you had trouble getting it open. And the only way to get it open is from the inside. From the inside, you gotta unlock and pull the handle at the same time. See, it won't shut. But then, if I hit lock, shuts. What? Yep. See, it's shut. So to get you through in a pinch, they had a recall on this, and I should probably go get it fixed, and so should you if you're having the same issue.